Ho, little sprouts, and welcome to Mochi's tiny garden. Today, we're going on a magical adventure to learn how flowers grow. Have you ever looked at a tiny little seed and wondered how it can turn into a giant, beautiful flower, like this big, bright sunflower? It seems like magic, doesn't it? Well, it's not magic, it's nature. And we're going to find out exactly how it works. Are you ready? Let's grow a garden with our fluffy friend, Mochi. Look, here's Mochi, a curious little guy who loves to garden. And what does he have? It's a tiny brown seed. A seed is the very beginning of a new plant. It's like a little baby plant, all tucked in and waiting to grow. Mochi has a big dream for this little seed. He wants to grow a magnificent, tall, yellow sunflower that can smile at the sun all day long. But how will he do it? It's a big job for a little guy. But Mochi is ready for the challenge. So let's follow him and see what he does. First things first, Mochi needs to find the perfect spot for his seed. He looks around his garden and finds some nice, dark, soft dirt. The dirt, or soil, is where plants make their home. It's full of good things that help them grow big and strong. Mochi takes his little shovel and starts to dig. He digs a small, cozy hole in the dirt. It needs to be just deep enough for the seed to be safe and sound. So, the very first step is to dig a hole. Can you say that with me? First, we dig a hole. Mochi carefully places the tiny brown seed inside the hole. Mochi gently covers it back up with the soft dirt. Good night, little seed. Time to get ready to grow. What do plants need to grow? They get hungry and thirsty, just like we do. So, what's next? Mochi knows exactly what to do. He gets his green watering can. Look at that bright green color. He fills it up with cool, clear water. Plants need water to drink. The water helps the seed wake up and start growing. Mochi gently tilts the watering can and pours the water over the spot where he planted the seed. He whispers, "Drink up, little seed. Have a nice, big drink." The water soaks down into the dirt all the way to our little seed. So, after planting the seed, the next step is to give it water. It's very important. Our seed is now cozy in the dirt and has had a good drink of water. But something is still missing. What else do plants need? Think about what makes you feel warm and happy when you play outside. The sun. Then, the warm, bright sun starts to shine down from the sky. The sun gives the plant energy and warmth. It's like a big, warm hug for the little seed sleeping in the ground. The sun's rays go down into the soil and tell the seed it's time to wake up. Time to grow. And with that warmth and energy, something amazing starts to happen under the dirt. The seed starts to sprout. With the water and the sun, our seed is ready to grow. A tiny green sprout starts to push its way up, up, up through the dirt. It's working so hard. And then, pop! A tiny green leaf appears above the ground. Isn't that exciting? It's the very first leaf. This little leaf will help the plant get even more sunlight. Mochi is so proud. He visits his little plant every single day to watch it grow. He makes sure it always has enough water and sunshine. He cheers it on, saying, "You can do it, little plant. Grow, grow, grow." Being a gardener means being patient and caring for your plant every day. Mochi's hard work is paying off. Soon, the little plant isn't so little anymore. It starts to grow a long, strong stem. The stem is like the body of the flower. It helps the plant stand up tall and straight, reaching for the sun. The stem also carries water and food from the dirt all the way up to the leaves and the flower. As the stem gets taller, more green leaves start to grow on it. The plant is getting bigger and stronger every single day. Look how tall it is now. It's almost as tall as Mochi. It's amazing to see how much it has grown from just one tiny seed. And then, the most exciting part begins. At the very top of the long stem, a flower bud starts to form. And inside that bud, something beautiful is getting ready. The big, colorful leaves of a flower are called petals. The petals start to unfold, one by one. Mochi's flower has bright yellow petals. They open up to the sky, like they're saying hello to the world. The flower is finally here. It's so bright and cheerful, full of Mochi's patience and care has led to this beautiful moment. The plant has grown from a seed to a sprout, to a tall plant, and now to a beautiful flower. Finally, after all that waiting and growing, Mochi has his sunflower. It's a tall yellow sunflower that smiles at the sun. Look at it. It's even taller than Mochi now. The petals are so bright, and the center is full of new seeds for next year. Mochi feels so happy and proud. He grew this beautiful flower all by himself, starting with just one tiny brown seed. He loves his garden and his amazing sunflower. Being a gardener is the best job in the world. Mochi is a very, very happy gardener. Wow, what an incredible journey. We learned so much with Mochi today. Let's review some of the new words we learned about plants. Remember the seed. That's the tiny part that grows into a new plant, too. Then there's the dirt, or soil, which is the home for the plant. The plant grew a long stem, which is like its body. And finally, the beautiful flower opened its colorful petals. Seed, dirt, stem, and petals. Great job! You're a gardening expert now. Now, let's see what you remember from Mochi's story. I have a few questions for you. Are you ready? Question 1. What does Mochi do first to plant his seed? Does he water it, or does he dig a hole? Think back to the very beginning. That's right. First, Mochi digs a small hole in the dirt to put the seed inside. You are so smart. Okay, here is question number 2. This one is about colors. What color is the watering can that Mochi uses to give his seed a drink? Was it red, blue, or green? He used it right after he planted the seed. Yes, it was a green watering can. You have an excellent memory. Jet. Giving the seed water is a very important step. Last question. Get ready. After the warm sun shines down on the dirt, what is the first thing that pops out of the ground? Is it a big yellow flower, or is it a tiny green leaf? Remember, it's the very first sign of growth we can see. You got it. A tiny green leaf pops out of the ground. That's the start of our new plant. You did an amazing job answering all the questions. 2. Really paid attention to Mochi's gardening adventure. Thank you so much for joining Mochi in his tiny garden today. We learned that to grow a flower, you first plant a seed in the dirt. Next, you give it water. Then, it needs lots of warm sunshine. And finally, with a little bit of patience and care, you'll have a beautiful flower. Maybe you can try planting your own seed and watching it grow. It's so much fun. We hope you had a wonderful time with us, too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time, little sprouts.